Hello my dear students, today we will solve exercise 5.7 from the textbook of CBSE board NCERT mathematics of grade 6. Okay, so let's start. Exercise 5.7. Here this is the first question. Say true or false. So I'll tell you one thing that exercise 5.7 is based on the types of quadrilaterals. If you know the properties of types of quadrilaterals, then it will be very easy for you to solve the exercise 5.7. So for that you have to first watch my video which I have prepared on properties of quadrilaterals. Here I have given the link. You can click on that and you can directly move to that video. If you watch that video carefully, at the end of that video I have summarized all the properties of the quadrilateral. Then you will get the idea to remember how to understand the properties of a quadrilateral, and it will be very easy for you all to solve such questions which asked in the exercise 5.7. okay, so I request you to go first to that video and then come to this video. Okay, so let's start solving this exercise. Say true or false. So first statement is each angle of a rectangle is a right angle. Yeah, I think you all know this property. Rectangle and square has each angle equal to 90 degree. So the first statement is true. Okay. The opposite sides of a rectangle are equal in length. Yeah, I know that this property is also known everyone that the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal in length. So this one is also true. Next, the diagonals of a square are perpendicular to one another. Now, for such properties, you should know that you should have to go through that video. Then only you will be understanding that about diagonals and everything. Okay. So the diagonals of a square are perpendicular to one another. Yeah, this statement is true. So why it is true? So if you want to know the answer for this question, then you have to move to that video. Okay. Now all the sides of a rhombus are of equal length. Yeah, rhombus and square has all the sides equal in length. So this statement is also true. Next comes all the sides of a parallelogram are of equal length. No, parallelogram has sides parallel to each other but not equal in length. So this statement is false. Next comes the opposite sides of a trapezium are parallel. No, only one opposite sides, one pair is parallel. So this statement can't be true. So it is false. Okay. Now let's move to the second question. Give reasons for the following. Okay. So the first statement is a square can be thought of as a special rectangle. So I'll give you the reason for this. That see, in rectangle opposite sides are equal and in square all the sides are equal. That means square is also has opposite sides are equal. So this because of this reason, and rectangle as well as square both has each angle is equal to 90 degree. So because of these two properties, a square can be thought of as a special rectangle. Okay. Now let's move to the second statement, that is a rectangle can be thought of as a special parallelogram. Okay. So for this we have a reason that a rectangle and parallelogram both has a same property, that is opposite sides are parallel as well as opposite angles are equal. Okay, sides are equal and opposite angles are equal. Okay, but in rectangle all angles are equal to 90 degree but not in parallelogram. Okay, so when a parallelogram has each angle equal to 90 degree, then it will be a rectangle. Okay, so as rectangle and parallelogram both has opposite sides parallel and opposite angles are equal, and when a parallelogram will have 90 degree all the angles, then a rectangle can be thought of as a special parallelogram. Okay. So let's see the third statement. A square can be thought of as a special rhombus. Okay, so for this we have a reason that Square and rhombus has a common property, that is all sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. Okay. And we have one more reason, that when a rhombus has each angle equal to 90 degree, then it is a square. So we can say that a square can be thought of as a special rhombus. Okay. As it has all the sides equal, opposite sides are parallel, and when a square has 90 degree, all the angles, then it will be a rhombus. Okay. So we next statement is squares, rectangles, parallelograms are all quadrilaterals. Yeah, of course, because all these polygons are sided made up of line segments. So, and we all know that these are the types of quadrilaterals. Okay. Next comes square is also a parallelogram. So for this we have a reason that a square has a property that is its opposite sides are parallel, which is a property of parallelogram too. Okay, means a square has all the sides opposite sides are parallel, and in parallelogram also opposite sides are parallel. So we can say square is also a parallelogram. Okay. Next, we have a question that a figure is said to be regular if its sides are equal in length and angles are equal in measure. Can you identify the regular quadrilateral? See here, what they are saying that there is a figure which has all the sides equal and all the angles equal. So if you have go through my that video, then you all know that there is a quadrilateral which has equal sides and equal lengths. And which one is that? This is a quadrilateral and it is called as square. Square has all the sides equal and all the angles equal. As you all know, if all the sides and all the angles are equal, then that quadrilateral is called as regular quadrilateral. So square is a regular quadrilateral always. Okay. So here the exercise 5.7 ends. If you like my teaching, then please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Okay. So bye everyone.